Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by cleaning and isolating the area so every step is effective. First, degrease with isopropyl alcohol. You want no oils. Once done, mask surrounding panels tightly, leaving only the damaged patch exposed. Next, wet sand the clear coat with 400 to 800 grit. Use a steady back and forth motion and keep the paper wet. This removes loose paint and smooths edges. Make sure to feather into good paint so the repair blends later. And wipe dry before moving on. Now you address shape and adhesion. Fill deep scratches with a plastic filler, applied thin so it cures evenly. This restores contour and prevents sun damage. Once cured, sand filler smooth starting with 400, then refine with 800 grit. This creates a consistent surface. Clean the dust, then spray 2 light coats of primer so paint bonds to plastic. After primer dries, wet sand with 800 to 1,500 grit to remove orange peel. Make sure transitions are feathered for an invisible edge. You finish by applying base coat and clear to match factory gloss. Spray 2 to 3 thin base coat layers, flashing 5 to 10 minutes between each. This builds correct color without runs. Once base is dry to the touch, apply 2 to 3 clear coats from 6 to 8 inches away. Clear seals and protects the paint. After curing, wet sand and polish starting at 1,500 up to 3,000 grit to remove imperfections, then use compound to restore shine. If color looks off, check light.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.